You woke up exhausted this morning. You know you slept. Your brain knows it too. It just did not let you have it. Something was unresolved, so it kept you just conscious enough to monitor it all night. 8 hours of monitoring is not sleep, it's surveillance. And it will do it again tonight. After this video, you will know what has been keeping your nervous system awake and what to do tonight so it stops. Not better sleep, actual rest. For the first time in however long this has been happening. Tonight, your nervous system will decide whether the threat level is low enough to let you rest. What do you think it will decide? Every piece of sleep advice is built on the same assumption, that hours are the variable. They are not. Your nervous system has two states, the threat state and the safety state. Restorative sleep only happens in one. Researchers at UC monitored people who reported sleeping 8 or more hours but waking exhausted. What they found was not a sleep disorder. It was a nervous system that had never left the threat state. 8 hours recorded on a device that measures hours, while the body ran on a nervous system that never once registered safety. The hours were real. The restoration never happened. Because restoration does not require hours. It requires a specific state that hours cannot produce by themselves. Think about the last time you woke up genuinely rested. Not just not tired, actually restored. Now think about your life at that point. Not your sleep routine, your life. What was resolved? Your nervous system cannot tell the difference between a deadline and a predator, between a relationship tension and physical danger. So it responds to all of them the same way. It stays on. Your nervous system has one job above everything else, keeping you alive. Not comfortable, not rested, alive. And it keeps you alive by maintaining a running list of everything unresolved. A list you cannot read, cannot edit, cannot reason with. When something is on that list, it reduces your sleep depth, keeps you in the lighter stages, just alert enough to respond, and spends the entire night doing what it believes the situation requires. Watching. Think about the thing that is most unresolved in your life right now. Don't name it, just let it arrive. That thing, whatever just came to mind, your nervous system registered it before you closed your eyes last night. It was on the list, and it watched it all night. The loop works like this. Something unresolved activates the threat state before sleep. The threat state reduces sleep depth. Reduced depth produces incomplete restoration. Incomplete restoration means you wake already primed, already registering the same unresolved thing as a threat before the day begins, which means more intense monitoring the next night, which means lighter sleep, which means tomorrow morning you are more exhausted than you were this morning. There's one specific thing most exhausted people do in response to their exhaustion that makes the threat level rise before they've even left the bedroom. They worry about tonight. And cortisol, the nervous system's primary alert signal, rises before perceived threats, not during, before. So when someone with chronic exhaustion approaches bedtime, cortisol rises in anticipation of another bad night. The elevated cortisol prevents deep sleep. The poor sleep confirms the fear. The next night, cortisol rises earlier. Every sleep tracker, every supplement, every protocol, your nervous system reads each attempt to fix the sleep as evidence that something is still wrong, and cortisol rises again. The anxiety you have felt about your exhaustion has been making your exhaustion worse, not slightly. It has been the primary mechanism sustaining the cycle for however long this has been happening. Every night you went to bed worried, your cortisol rose. Every morning you woke up exhausted and worried about tonight, It rose earlier. How long have you been trying to fix your sleep? And has the trying ever once produced a night that restored you? It has not, because the trying was not addressing the right thing. Your nervous system was not waiting for a better sleep routine. It was waiting for one thing: safety. You cannot control your sleep directly. Sleep is an output, not an input. But you can control the state your nervous system is in before you close your eyes. That state is the only variable that determines what happens after. Your nervous system does not need the problems solved before it will let you rest. It needs to register that they are being held. Writing down the unresolved thing, not to solve it, simply to record it somewhere outside your body, reduces cortisol before sleep more effectively than any supplement tested against it. Not because the problem disappeared, because the monitoring could pause. You have never been a bad sleeper. Your nervous system has never malfunctioned. It has been doing exactly what a nervous system does when it registers sustained, unresolved threat, producing exactly the exhaustion that tells you it needs something different. Not more hours, something different. You are not broken. Your body has not been failing you. Your nervous system was running a protection protocol on data that told it protection was needed. The exhaustion is not the problem. The exhaustion is the signal. It has been saying the same thing every morning for however long this has been happening. Your nervous system never felt safe enough to rest. And now you know that. You can't unknow it. Comment one sentence. What is on your list right now? The thing your nervous system has been monitoring. Just enough that it exists somewhere outside your body for the first time tonight. I read every single one. Subscribe. Next week, the complete parasympathetic reset protocol. The exact sequence that gives your nervous system the evidence it needs to stand down. Results the first night you use it. Mind unlocked. Brain science that changes how you see yourself.